Hi everyone, it's Rita. Welcome to my YouTube channel and my TikTok channel, Shine Your Inner Light. I'm getting ready to do a fundraising campaign on Indiegogo for our film, Revelation of You, which I started with some friends back during COVID. It's still going on. We're still doing some filming. If we had finished it 2 years ago, we would not have been in a place where we've interviewed Dr. Bruce Lipton, Dr. Eben Alexander, Dr. Konstantin Kuratov. I've interviewed with Dr. Bruce Lipton, his nephew Alex Lipton, about the film, and Alex has done some interviews with me. I've also interviewed Virginia Hummel, who wrote a book on ORBS. So what are we talking about? We're talking about the electromagnetic field of the human. And the stuff that we discovered while filming before and after photos. We have over 250 photos. One of the first photos we did was me sitting there for my beginning photo, and I decided to ask my guides to show up in the photo. So now if you can see and discern, there are 5 orbs in this photo. So when my friend Liz, who'd been doing these photos for 20 some years, looked at it, she said, "You have guides in here." And I said, "Oh, I was asking to see them. I was asking them to show themselves." But I didn't say it out loud. I said it was in my head. And she was like, "No, you're just supposed to take a regular photo and not be thinking about these things, right?" So we did another photo, and this is typically how my colors show up. They were gone. So we started, that's kind of the beginning of some of this. Initially started with wanting to know what crystals did to the energy field. Initially, she told me that she had done thousands of these readings, and she always told people if they wanted to take their jewelry off, not to take it off. Today, she'd probably tell you the same thing, because energetically, there is something going on with you and your jewelry. But you'll see when you do before and after photos in our filming that there were some changes. And the 3rd or 4th photo that we did with some rose quartz created a dramatic change in the energy field. So running around the body, we have these, they've been identified as different fields, L fields. People talk about chakras in these fields, and we think of them as sort of concentric sort of circles, and some people sort of see them that way around the body. I know Donna Eden's been able to see energy around people since she was little, because we all could when we were little, and as we get older, it gets kind of numbed out of us. Because I can remember being a kid in school and holding my arm up to this one kid, and we were talking about, I said, "Can you see the purple?" It was like a purple indigo color. And I don't remember what the exchange was now. I couldn't see it on him, but what Donna Eden has said is that, like all children know that they're energy, and they can see energy when they're really little. That's why when babies look up at you and they're looking all around your head and they're not making eye contact, it's because they're looking at all these amazing colors that are moving around you. So thank you for listening this far. This project is a film project, and we're going to be doing some fundraising on Indiegogo. So what I'm asking my TikTok group and my YouTube group, if you're familiar with the best ways to approach a crowdfunding platform like that, can you message me? I'd love some advice and get some opinions from you. And we really want to show you what we've been able to see in the electromagnetic field. It's amazing. I mean, you're mostly energy. The scientists basically say the colors have to do with frequency. And Dr. Bruce Lipton likes to say you're an energy stream. It's just like the stream of a TV station. Just because your TV dies, like the body dies, it doesn't mean that the station is gone. The TV doesn't work anymore, but the station is still there if you were to have a TV that could tune into it. So it's a lot to think about. It's a lot to think about, this whole idea of what is consciousness. I appreciate you being on my YouTube and TikTok channel. And I look forward to getting some feedback from you and letting you know about the crowdfunding that's going to start very soon. Thank you.